Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Julie LeBrun. I'm the content creator and training manager at the OCA since February. I'm from Canada, so if you didn't know, I'm from Canada. So today's talk is about the OCA module Stock Barcodes. I will present you a demo of the version 16. I changed it, but it's available in 16 and 17, but I did my preparation on the version 16. But you will see, okay? So a little bit module information, okay? So this module will provide you with an interface barcode for the stock module. So you will be able to use a barcode scanner for your inventories and picking operation. So sometimes you have a lot of modules that does a lot of things. It's a simple module for small businesses that just needs to have a barcode scanner and do their operations. This module is available in from version 11 to 17. And the technical name is Stock Barcodes. You can find this module on the Stock Logistic Barcode repository. So if you were there for the Jacques-Etienne talk before, he explained all the stock repositories were organized. This is one of the repository. With all the barcodes related modules. To access the feature in V11 and 12, you have to go into inventory as a user, inventory app, and you would see the little block with the barcode image. So it was the way to access the feature. So if you're using one of those two versions, this is where you need to go to have the option for the module. But since version 13, you have a new barcode application. So you have a distinct app named the Barcode, and it's available in additional to, yes, it's just, you will still have this in the inventory overview, but now you also have the application. This is the look of it for the earliest version 13 and 14, I think, and 15. So from version 16, so version 16 and 17, we have a new interface. That's why I will be presenting. That's what I will be presenting it to you today. So it's a more user-friendly interface for tablets and computers, but also cell phones. Well, it's not, you know, when you do inventory, sometimes you go with your cell phone, or it's more easy with a tablet into your stock, and you do with your scanner, you can do your inventory. So it's a more, like I said, user-friendly interface. The Stock Barcode in version 16, this version with the new interface, it's merged, so it's available. But it's still available in version 17, but there's work in progress for some bug fix. So the PR is still open. So you can access the version 17 from the PR, but the version 16, it's in the repository as usual. So let's do a quick demo of the module. So I have here my, I think I will. Is it better like this? Yes? Yep. Okay. So this is my version 16. Like I said, I have a new application, barcodes. This is the view I have. So I will do an example of an inventory and then some operation like a reception and delivery. So I have here some barcodes for my products. So I will go into inventory. It's simple as that. Oh, I have always, okay, I had one open, so I will just cancel it. Well, I want to do a new one. What?
It's a pending line, so it will stay there.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I will scan, okay? So I have my, oh, sorry. When you need to scan, you need to open the scanner first. Okay. So here it is. Why doesn't, sorry. That's weird. We did the test like 5 minutes ago. It was working. Okay, let's go to the operation and I'll see if I can come back to the inventory. So I have my operation as usual. I can go into my delivery order. I have one prepared here. So for 5 units of one product and 2 units for the other. So I will just start scanning. So I've started with the acoustic block screen. So I can just go there and continue. So you can see that the first number here is going up. But you know, if I have 25, I don't want to go like this for 25 times. So I can just click on the pen here and set the quantity. So if I have a lot, maybe I will prefer to do that. Come and sit. Oh, sit, no, but maybe take photos. Okay. So that's it. I will just confirm this line and then I can continue. No, sorry. Ecom, no. 5 quantity. 5. Why? Okay. I just want to close this. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I've changed it a lot. So here I go. Okay, so here it adds more quantities than I already had. So I will just add 2. No. Well, it's one thing we need to maybe tell the developers. Okay, so I will continue with the other one. Okay. And then I can confirm. So maybe I delivered more than I had, so it will be my example for today. I just click and continue. So usually it's very, as you can see, it's not that complicated to use. You just scan or change the quantity. Here, I don't know why it didn't work, but
yeah, I think it's because we set it as cumulative.
Yes.
So maybe we should put there like a negative number in order to make it fit, you know?
Yes. What is explaining is you have options here under the configuration inventory. Sorry, I went very fast. Inventory, configuration, and then you have barcode options. When you go into the operation type, picking out, it's not an operation type, but it's related to this operation type. So you go there and then you have different options of how to use the module. And we have activated this option here, accumulated read. That's why I could scan and the quantity would go up. So maybe this option is not
Maybe it's not clear enough.
Yes. So maybe that's why I didn't have the right behavior. So yes, this was a picking out, but you have the same option with the receipts. I can just, I went there, operation, but like I said, you can go into inventory. Now with the new app, the new interface, you don't have anymore the barcode image in the overview, but if you go into your form view, you will have the smart button to access the barcode interface. So, and here I can go with the cabinets. And maybe I deliver less this time than what I have. So I would hope that the system would create a back order because I have less than what was supposed to have. So I click, I continue. Let's go and see the done ones. Whoops. Okay. No, it was the 6, number 6. Sorry. Operation, receipt. Done. So I have the quantity adjust like the usual behavior we will have, and then I can see that there's a new one created for the 2 remaining. So the back order was created, back order of number 6. So it's the same behavior as going into your usual interface, your backend interface, but it's more user-friendly for your for the use of the scanner. So that's it. There's not so much to say about it because, like I said, it's a simple feature to use with your barcode scanner. And as usual, if I, for example, if I go into inventory, I create a new transfer. And I could just scan here also. It's not part of the module, it's just basic behavior for Odoo. So I can use this for this option, for this action too. Receipt. Let's see if I can do an inventory adjustment. I will create, oh yes, it's new lines, okay. So I will need to go from the barcode here, cabinets, okay. Oh, I know why. I didn't click on the eye. So now I can see what I scanned. I always forget that you can just go there and not see what you have scanned, or if you want to see what you scan while you do it, you just need to activate the eye on the bottom left, and then you can see what you're doing. So I can continue, and I can use the pen also to change to update the quantity. 10, validate. And then when I'm finished, I have the big check box here. So I just confirmed. There's a module installed that asking for a reason for my adjustment, so I can put anything here and I apply. That's it. Oh yes, maybe if you're asking why we have picking in, picking out here, it's just that if you want to access the pickings, like only the receipt, only the delivery orders, instead of going to all operations, you can configure the system to here having this view. So if I go into inventory, configuration, barcode actions. Actions?
From the operation type.
From the what?
Operation types.
Yes, sorry. Yes. So I go into the receipt and I have the barcode option here. So receipt, it's in operation. I click. And then when I come back to the barcodes, if I click on the picking in, I have the receipt. It's just one way to use it if you want to configure it like this. So let's come back here. There's some resources. Like I said, you can access the 16 module on the repository. There's the link here if you want to have it. And the V17 PR link. Is it the right one?
I'm not sure.
I think because I prepared it like a week ago.
I don't remember the number there.
Yeah, but the migration of the version 17 was from the improvement made on version 16.
Yeah.
And you can also, like usual, I always mention the mailing list as a resource you can use to ask questions, and there's the Discord channel too now. So I didn't put it here. So now it's your time. Questions, doubts, comments. Can you come here? Yes. Just to answer some question if there's. I didn't remember your first name. Christian.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I will try my best.
Okay. Yeah. My question is, what is the use case for not clicking on the eye? I don't understand why would someone not see what's going on.
Yeah, it's basically when it's similar to when you do a receipt on the blind mode. So you don't allow the employee to know what it's meant to receive. Okay. So you have like that step of validating, all right, let the guy go into the stock, scan everything what is in there, and then on the back end, you can check those lines and make sure that the numbers make sense, right? It's similar to how the receipts work with the blindfold option.
And also for small devices.
Yeah, and also for that.
Small screen devices.
Yeah, if the device, the screen is not big enough, it's easier that way also.
For a product with multiple location, can I use that application and specify where I want to place the product?
Yeah, sure.
Yes?
You are able to, when you scan a barcode, it will do a search based on the values on the barcode options. So if you can you share
Yes.
the barcode option? Inventory.
Picking out?
Yeah, that, for example, that's okay. Go to the bottom. There you are. So in order to do the search of the barcode you are scanning in the moment, it will follow this list based on these steps. And also, we need to be careful about the require, right? For example, you are able to scan package and product at the same time, but not the other way, because we will be going back into back one step, right? But yeah, this is the list we use in order to order the search. So yeah, you can use the location, put it in a different place. The lots are also available to use. We keep it simple on this presentation, but if you want to try it, you can exploit all the options there. Yeah, and also there is a different module that allows you to scan GS1 barcodes. You know, it's for those that didn't know what it is. it's a barcode nomenclature that allows you to, with one scan, being able to input into the system the lot, the expiry date, and I think also the quantity, SKU, a couple of fields there. In one is in just one scan.
Expiry date also.
Yeah, I say it. Right. Next.
Yes. Are there some barcode actions to validate automatically when you scan a barcode, or you have to click on the screen?
Right. That's a really good question. I'm not sure if we have an option of when everything is completed that goes automatically into the next one or something like that, but it's something that could be added.
It's something that is integrated in the Odoo enterprise
version?
Yeah, you can have a discard, confirm, new picking, etc. Barcode actions that you can print in your chairlift, I don't know what, and boom, you can have direct actions instead of clicking on the screen.
All right,
It's
you mean
practical.
in order to enter into, for example, a picking in action?
Yeah,
So you can
or
scan-
validate, confirm, or yeah.
Yeah, we added, but in order to, we were testing it before. As you can see, there is a scan barcode action, and also we are able to, if we go into the inventory actions here, we can add that barcode. So you can configure it so on that view, you scan the barcode, and it pops up directly, depending.
But you don't have, like you ask, there's a barcode action for the different operation types, but not for validating or cancel.
Exactly. For specific actions at the end, we don't have it yet. But it's a good idea. I like it. Yeah,
Yes.
next.
Can you scan also the barcode of the delivery order to load the correct document?
I think so.
I think so, but I think that's on the standard behavior.
Yeah, if I'm here
I mean,
and I want to find my delivery order, yes, if I have printed it, I can scan it and it will find it. But it's it's not in the stock barcode module. It's in the Odoo base barcode features.
yeah, for that use case, I will tell you to use directly the search bar, and it will pop directly the related pick in there. But yeah, the answer is no.
Not with the module.
Not inside of the module, exactly.
Someone else?
Thank you. Is there any specification for hardware scanners that are compatible or usable? How to connect?
Not really, that I know. For example, on the testing, we also use, as you can see, the Odoo barcode extension for Chrome, and it's not like a real test, but we were using that extension in order to make sure that everything was working. And then, as Julie showed you, we also tested with a couple of scanners. As I said, not sure. That's how hardware works.
Okay.
Yeah, it should.
No.
I mean, at the end, it's a browser, so anything that inputs a barcode scan, it should work.
Yes, and it will depend on the configuration of your keyboard.
Yeah, the
Because
language.
it's a keyboard, yeah.
Yeah,
extensions, everything.
yeah, sure. Right. Anyone else? Yeah.
Okay, two small questions. I'm a newbie, but is there any idea when the PR for version 18 would be ready?
18. Right now we are solving a couple of bugs on 17 because the Odoo changed how the reservation is done on the picking, so we are having some trouble with there. But as soon as we have that solved, I think it's time to move into 18. So I estimate like 2-3 months.
Oh, okay.
Kinda.
Excellent. And the other question is a small one. What kind of scanner were you using? Is
Oh.
that a Bluetooth scanner to the laptop or?
Yeah, it's a Bluetooth one, right?
What?
Bluetooth.
Yeah, it's Bluetooth.
Ah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
I want one.
I bought it on Amazon. It's cheap,
Yeah.
I bought it the cheaper one, but I wanted a small, so.
No, but I think it's excellent for giving demonstrations. So I'll buy one together with this and to
Yes. But you can
demo
buy
to
USB
people
one.
the power of how this works. Yeah.
Yes.
Right? Any more questions here?
Doubts?
Doubts?
Comments?
I mean, we have a couple of comments. So
So good.
right. Great, great. Thank you, guys.
Yes,
Be
thank
here.
you.